Welcome back to our Chem 151 video series. In this video, we'll talk about how to deal with concentrations if they're given to you in parts per billion. This question says, if a pint of beer, which is about 680 milliliters, has 100 parts per billion of lead, find the mass of lead in the beer. Now what we have to first understand is that parts per billion is a mass ratio. This mass ratio tells us if we had 1 billion grams, 100 of those grams would be lead. However, we are not given mass to start with. Instead, we are given 680 milliliters. We are also given a density of 1 gram per milliliter. This density tells us if we have 1 milliliter of solution, we also have 1 gram of solution. We'll begin with our 680 milliliters of beer. We'll multiply that by a fraction to get out of milliliters and into grams first. The 1 milliliter of solution is related to 1 gram of solution. Therefore, we'll place a 1 in front of milliliters and a 1 in front of grams. Now keep in mind that these grams are grams of solution. We will now multiply by another fraction to get us out of solution and into lead. According to the ratio in the upper right, our mass ratio is 1 billion grams of solution to 100 grams of lead. We'll place the 100 grams next to lead, and we'll write 1 uppercase E9 to represent a billion. This is a billion in scientific notation. If we do this operation, we can expect a very small answer. We'll take 680 times 100, divide by 1 times 10 to the 9th. We'll get 6.8 times 10 to the negative 5th power grams of lead. Now that we know the mass of lead, our task is to get those grams into micrograms. So we'll need to do one more conversion. We'll multiply by one more fraction to get us out of grams of lead and into micrograms of lead. According to the SI system, 1 gram is the same thing as 1 million micrograms. We'll represent that as 1 times 10 to the 6th, or 1 uppercase E6. If we do the math, we will get 68 micrograms of lead. Therefore, that pint of beer has 68 micrograms of lead in it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.